Got my bee package in the mail. It's March 10th, 2019. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this thing. Alright, so here's the frames here. So you gotta assemble it all yourself, obviously. But this is let's see here. It's 20 frames total, 10 deep and 10 medium. It's the cheapest one I found on Amazon. It was 120 bucks. And it comes with everything you need for the hive. Except the bees. I got them coming April 1st. Here's the deep frame box right here. And it's pretty simple to put together. You just connect them together. Sometimes it might not be the perfect fit, but put a piece of wood right there on top of it, and then hit it with a hammer. And I just use glue, wood glue. Just add it a little bit of glue to each. I want to say it's called a ducktail, I think is what they call it, the way it's cut out. But anyways, it's the last corner, so it's going to go together pretty easily out of it. Looks like it chipped off a little bit, but that's alright. There we go, we got one all ready together here. That took about maybe 10 minutes or so. Pretty simple. Be sure to wipe up all the glue. You don't want excess glue just drying up and hanging around. And be sure to do it on the inside as well. There might be some, yeah, some dripping right there. I don't think the bees will like that. I want to have happy bees. Same thing here again. It's not perfectly right. Smash. Smash. It's the last corner, and none of the corners break. None of them broke. Everything's still together. I did get one little piece that cracked off, but that's alright. There's no holes in the box. There we go. Yeah. Got. This is the medium-sized one. It's all done. There's the bigger one. So I did get a broken one in here, but I'm just going to glue it right back together. Pretty easy fix. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put the frames together. You got the deep frames and medium size. Very, very simple. Just go ahead. I'm like the Hulk. There you go. Put a little bit of glue on this. And this is the top piece here. It just slides right on there. Do the same for the other. And slides right on. And then put the screen here in it. Just like that. And then put a little dab of glue. And see her slide right in. just like so. Make sure there's any nope. No glue dripping. And there we go. That's the big. It's a deep one. It's a bigger one. And then here's how you do the medium ones. Exact same way. It's just smaller. A little bit of glue. He slides right on there. A little bit of glue. Put the frame in there. There it is. Alright, here it is. Fully put together. It's a pretty nice sized box. 20 frames. 120 bucks. Can't beat it. I'll put the link to where I got the box out on Amazon so you can check it out for yourself.